Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of family album. You will go to settings as you see and you can click here in this page. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about family album and you will click here in this window. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about family album. Here if you find update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.